Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best microfiber dusters is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, capable of trapping dust and allergens with remarkable efficiency across various surfaces, from delicate electronics to expansive furniture, making your home sparkle with minimal effort and maximum results, ensuring a cleaner living environment for you and your family. Number 5. DELUX Microfiber Feather Duster with Extension Pole. Introducing the DELUX Microfiber Feather Duster, a comprehensive 7-piece set designed for all your cleaning needs. It includes various duster heads and an extendable pole for effortless reach. With its extendable pole, you can easily adjust the length from 30 to 100 inches. This allows you to clean high ceilings, ceiling fans, and other hard-to-reach areas with convenience. The flexible design adapts to your cleaning tasks, making it more convenient. A soft silicone tip protects your walls from scratches, ensuring a safe and effective clean. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, it attracts dust and hair with ease. For even better results, try using it slightly damp to pick up more debris. This lightweight yet sturdy duster is perfect for a variety of surfaces. Use it on appliances, windows, furniture, cars, and more to keep everything spotless. After use, simply detach the duster head and hand wash it. Allow it to air dry in a ventilated area, and it's ready to be used again, maintaining its fluffy texture. What we like? This set offers incredible versatility with multiple duster heads and a long extension pole. If you need to reach high places like ceilings or fans, this is your go-to. Its bendable heads also make it perfect for cleaning intricate items like blinds or furniture. What people say? The microfiber dusters are great for cleaning. They are very effective at picking up dust and dirt. The extendable handle makes it easy to reach high places. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. It's designed to trap and hold dust effectively, eliminating the need for harsh cleaning chemicals. Its generous microfiber head covers a large surface area with every swipe, making your cleaning tasks quicker and more efficient. The slim profile allows for easy maneuvering in and around tight spaces, ensuring no dust is left behind. The reusable microfiber head unsnaps easily for convenient machine washing. Simply dry it without heat for its next use. Enjoy a soft, comfortable non-slip grip while you clean. This tool is designed for both effectiveness and user comfort. Featuring a sharp stainless steel blade and a comfortable non-slip handle, this duster is built to last and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. What we like? This duster is designed to trap and hold dust effectively without chemicals. If you prefer a simple, no-fuss cleaning tool for everyday dusting and need something easy to clean, this is an excellent choice. Its slim design is great for navigating tight spaces. What people say? The microfiber material is effective at trapping dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. The extendable handle allows for easy cleaning of high or hard-to-reach areas. The dusters are washable and reusable, offering a cost-effective and eco-friendly cleaning solution. Number 3. Rekopi Heavy-Duty Duster Refills. Tired of dust? Our special coated fibers capture 95% of dust and hair in just one swipe. Its static generation and wider size mean less effort for a spotless home. No need to buy a new handle. These refills are perfectly compatible with all Swiffer duster models, ensuring a secure fit for effective cleaning every time. Reach every corner with our 360 degrees design. It's perfect for cleaning electronics, furniture, blinds, and even car interiors, streamlining your cleaning process. Get 30 refills in this pack, enough for 2 months of cleaning. It's a cost-effective choice for those who already own a handle, making dusting a breeze. Simply pat the fluffy duster, insert your handle, and start cleaning. Enjoy a convenient and hassle-free experience that leaves your home looking its best. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we promise a replacement or refund within 24 hours. Enjoy a clean and comfortable home with confidence. What we like? This option provides a massive value pack of refills, perfect for those who already own a compatible handle. If you're looking for maximum dust capture and efficiency, its 4x microfibers and 360 degrees design will significantly speed up your cleaning. It's ideal for busy individuals who want a quick and thorough clean. What people say. The microfiber material is very effective at trapping dust and dirt. The extendable handle allows for easy cleaning of high or hard-to-reach areas. The flexible head can be bent to clean around furniture and other objects. Number 2. Reusable microfiber ceiling fan cleaner duster with extension pole. Tired of dusty ceiling fans? Introducing our innovative cleaner, designed to make your chore a breeze. Its unique design ensures a thorough clean every time. Crafted from soft, dense polyester, this duster offers superior dirt absorption. It's reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice for maintaining a clean home. With an extendable pole ranging from 13 to 49.7 inches, you can now clean high ceilings without needing chairs or ladders. It makes reaching those tricky spots safe and easy. Its slanted, double-sided design ensures comprehensive cleaning of all fan blade surfaces. No dust or dirt will be left behind, leaving your fans spotless. Featuring a hanging hole for easy storage and drying, this tool is also detachable for convenient travel. Keep it clean wherever you go. Beyond ceiling fans, it's perfect for cleaning blinds, bookshelves, furniture, and even hard-to-reach corners. It effectively tackles dust and cobwebs throughout your home. What we like. Designed with a unique double-sided cleaning head, this duster ensures a thorough clean on fan blades or other surfaces. If you frequently clean ceiling fans or similar items and want to ensure no spot is missed, this is a great pick. Its adjustable length also makes it convenient for various heights. What people say. The microfiber material is effective at trapping dust and dirt. The extendable handle allows for easy cleaning of high or hard-to-reach areas. The flexible head can be bent to clean around furniture and other objects. Number 1. OOSOFITT High Ceiling Microfiber Duster Kit. Introducing the OOSOFITT High Ceiling Duster Kit, designed to make cleaning effortless. This comprehensive set has everything you need to tackle dust from floor to ceiling. We've listened to your feedback. Our extension pole now features reinforced stainless steel and plastic components, ensuring it remains stable and won't rotate or break, even when cleaning high ceiling fans. Clean those hard-to-reach places with ease. The extendable pole reaches up to 100 inches, allowing you to dust cobwebs and ceiling fans without the need for dangerous ladders. Say goodbye to airborne dust. Our microfiber dusters attract and hold dust like a magnet, thanks to their positively charged fibers, ensuring a cleaner environment. Get into every nook and cranny. The dusters can be bent to any angle, making it easy to clean shelves, fans, picture frames, and other dust-collecting surfaces. Save time and money with our reusable microfiber covers. Simply remove and machine wash them for hundreds of uses, making your cleaning routine more efficient. What we like. This kit boasts an upgraded, sturdier extension pole for enhanced durability when cleaning high areas. If you've had issues with flimsy poles in the past or need a reliable tool for high ceilings, this is a solid investment. Its ability to attract and hold dust, along with bendable heads, makes it highly effective. What people say. The microfiber material is very effective at trapping dust and dirt. The extendable handle allows you to reach high and low areas with ease. The flexible head can be bent to clean around furniture and other obstacles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.